climb the hardest mountain in the Philippines. Dadaanan natin ang dangerous trail called Knife's Edge. Insane slopes. No one mistake, sa ibaba ka na pupulutin. We will also climb the 90 degrees cliff to reach the peak. Mauubusan ka pa ng tubig. Siyempre, mga sobrang friendly na maliliit na linta. This mountain also claimed alive.
Doon sila natagpuan sa isang bato na malaki, nakapalibot sila.
So tara, samahan mo ako in my Guiting-Guiting experience. Make sure matapos mo ang video para malaman kung kaya mo ba ang Mount Guiting-Guiting. I will also show you how much does it cost and how to get there.
Ano sila?
Before we climb this beautiful mountain, we have to know ano at saan matatagpuan ang Mount Guiting-Guiting. Mount Guiting-Guiting is located sa island of Sibuyan, in the province of Romblon. Sibuyan Island is dubbed as the Galapagos of Asia due to its unique and diverse organisms found in the island. Ito yung nakita kong hayop at halaman during my climb. 2,058 meters above sea level ang estimated height ng Mount G2. It is considered one of the most difficult and technically challenged mountain in the Philippines. Pinoy mountaineer rate it as 9 out of 9. Pero para sa akin, 10 out of 10 kasi ang hirap at muntik na akong maging kwento. If you don't believe me, watch the whole video and decide for yourself.
Since 10 out of 10 man, bante ang cardio.
I really prepared for this. I tried my best to reach 21 kilometers of running. Nung natapos ko yung goal, next is the body. Para maging matibay, I tried my best to grow my upper body. After lumaki ang katawan, ready na para sa mountain. Day 0. Make sure magdala kayo ng cash kasi mahirap sa isla mag-withdraw. Print everything that you need para easy na. Kailangan din ng medical certificate kasi isa yun sa requirement before ka mag-climb. Galing ako sa Cebu, I flew to Manila. Together with my friend Odi and his wife, Dr. Rihanna. Kasi sila yung nagbudol sa akin. After that, we moved to PITX para sumakay ng bus to Batangas. Tip ko is to make sure you book the ticket in advance, matulog ng maayos sa boat, and if may budget kayo, book a cabin para swapi ang tulog. Because you need all the strength to the peak. This climb takes 3 days. 1 day for the base camp, you need to pass 3 camps before you arrive for the main camp and stay for the night. Second day is the hardest. You have to pass the Knife's Edge, kiss the wall, 90 degrees wall, the final obstacle to the summit. After the peak, back trail to the base camp, and on the third day, uwi na. Let's go! Kinuha kami at nag-prepare na kami for the day 1 trail. Nag-pack, nag-seminar, at nag-start na ng hike. At first, it was easy. River crossing, slight ascent, until inatake na kami ng linta.
Pwede mo ka nagpaan ng linta.
Tanawa ang padulungan dito.
Kinain na namin yung lunch namin and went to Camp 2. Dito ko na na-feel na mahirap na yung mga dinadaanan namin. Pataas na lahat. We have to reach the base camp before the night falls.
Hindi pa mo?
And we're almost out of
2
water
hours to go.
kasi ang uhaw.
Elevation gain kay 1,200 meters na.
Di ba daw? Mafe-feel na jud nimo bay nga layo-layo na jud ta bay kay.
Medyo takot na ako
Kita na nimo ang fog.
kasi ubos na yung tubig ko at ayaw ko na ring maabutan ng gabi. Finally, we reach spring. Honestly, I don't really wanna drink water from the ground. But uhaw na talaga ako.
Alright.
Murag,
Unsay na ang sa gilamian?
Di na kami nagtagal. Ayaw na namin maabutan ng gabi. At around 5 p.m., we arrive at our base camp. And we reach Mayos Peak. Grabe, ang ganda. Dito ko nakita na yung dinaanan namin, walang-wala. Cute nun compared to this. Dito makikita ang knife's edge. Nag-set up na kami ng camp at kumain na kami to prepare for tomorrow. Day 2, we started early at around 5 a.m. Today, the goal is to reach the peak at 12 p.m. para hindi magabihan yung back trail namin. Dito ko nakita ang ganda at dangers ng Mayos Peak. It's Holy Week yung climb namin. Maraming tao kasi holiday. First trail is the Knife's Edge. Tinawag na Knife's Edge kasi ang tirik. Para kang naglalakad sa talim ng isang kutsilyo. Puno sa halaman at madudulas sa trail.
Picture plant.
Meron ding matutulis na mga bato. Kahit mahirap, hindi siya boring. Kasi ang ganda ng view. First pit stop is the Eagle's Rock. Here we saw the obstacles ahead. Also, this is Jude. First time din niyang mag-climb sa G2. Siya yung porter namin. Hindi na kami nagtagal kasi malayo pa kami. Dito ko na na-feel na ang lakas ng hangin. After a foggy ascent, we finally arrived at a kiss the wall. Dahil sa sobrang nipis ng trail, mapapakiss the wall ka talaga. So, kinis ko na talaga.
Kisa pa din.
Shortly after we arrived at Maybell Spring, dito na nag-full tank sa tubig para hindi maubusan ng tubig.
Ano na fake to? Hindi mo alam.
As we ascend more and more, dito ko na nakita ang Sawtooth Ridges. Dito rin ako, muntik na maging kwento. Sobrang focus ko sa pagkuha ng masura. Di ko na namalayan. Wala na pala akong nahawakan.
Wakatay! Pitatoy!
Thank you talaga, Lord. At yung guardian angel ko.
May wild strawberry?
Akala ko na talaga na malapit na ako. Ito pala yung peak of deception.
Deception pala.
At this point, I'm a bit worried. Past na yung 12, wala pa kami sa summit. Despite being late, we had to take a rest and enjoy the view. Kahit na malayo pa kami sa peak, malayo na rin yung narating namin. Parang life lang. Sometimes you have to take a pause and appreciate where you are right now. But we have to go, bro, because daylight is burning. We have to go back before the night falls. Akala ko na easy na to kasi malapit na. Pero I was wrong. Lumakas na ang hangin at sobrang steep na. Pero walang-wala to
Ginuog ko. Sama niya itong isudlan
sa
dire.
90 degrees na wall. This is no longer a hiking par. Rock climbing na to. Facing the wall. looking for cracks to hold on. One wrong move, magiging kwento ka talaga, par. Dito na ako nagtanong, ba't ba ako nandito? Okay pa ba ako? Ba't wala eh? Ginusto to eh.
Problema na
Until
lang ganito.
finally, I arrive at the peak.
Di ba to? Congrats sa'yo. First time mo makasamit, porter ka.
At around
Porter
1 p.m. kami
First time
na-arrive.
makasamit. Congrats, bro.
Kahit na walang keyring, I still love it. Pahinga ang konti. The journey is not over. I have to go back before the light is out. Kasi dangerous to pag madilim. After a few minutes, we departed kasama ng porter namin. I had to go first because naiwan ko yung headlamp ko. At dangerous kung walang light. I moved fast para makaabot before 5. And then, I met a legendary guide.
Unang-una, preparation. Preparation talaga ang dapat. Tsaka, syempre, yung iba, pumupunta dito, wala sa, napapanood lang kasi nila eh. Na, may nagdi-hike, kaya nila. Kasi kayang-kaya nga na di-hike eh. Yun, doon sila nagkakamali.
Tapos,
Huwag nilang patulan yung mga ganong kwento. Kasi dito, ang giting-giting, hindi biro akyatin talaga. So, dapat well prepared.
so ano yun, sir?
Kondisyon ng katawan mo. Isip.
Mga cardio, ganun, sir.
Cardio lahat. Mag-gym, jogging, marathon, or bike. Pwede na yan. Wag lang biglaan. Wag lang bigla-bigla susugod dito at nako, may pahihirapan nyo lang po sa sarili nyo.
Moving forward,
Thank you, sir.
ubos na yung tubig at malapit na ang gabi. At this point, wala na akong brain power para mag-document. Unfortunately, I arrived at Mayos Peak before the light is out. Don't worry, yung mga kasama ko nakarating safe at around 7 p.m. Day 3 was tiring at ox lang. Nung nakarating sa baba, ang paa ko parang hindi na gumagalaw. But that's all good because it's part of the journey. We also hang out mga kasama ko na nag-climb. Pasalamat sa successful na climb at thank God walang nadisgrasya. Alright! How much yung budget? Paano pumunta? Anong yung mga tips? Don't worry, I got you, par! Budget. At around 17,622 yung budget ko. 5,500 yung nagastos ko sa organizer. That includes the food, the transpo, guide, group porter. This excludes the personal porter. Here are the contacts of the organizer and the alternatives. Since I'm from Cebu, I had to buy ticket which is 5,100. That is back and forth. Depende din sa inyo yan. Bus ticket from PITX to Batangas, around 766 pesos. Yung nagastos ko sa boat ride from Batangas to Romblon is around 2,000 pesos. Bunk bed na yan. Return boat was 1,500. Reclining chair. If possible, makabook tayo in advance. Bus better para at least better prices. These are my gears. Gloves. Emergency blanket. I bought a thermal long sleeve shirt. At saka hamak. Huwag yung beach hamak kasi masisira talaga yung buhay mo, kagaya ko. Thank you so much for watching this video. This video is a bit outdated. It was shot during 2024. It was my first ever 9 out of 9 na mountain. It was the hardest actually for me. But now, the hardest mountain that I've climbed is Mount Mantalingahan. If you're wondering where or what is Mount Mantalingahan, check the comment section below, or if you're watching this on YouTube, click on the screen. I translated this because a lot of people has been asking me to translate it to Filipino because originally this was Bisaya. This is Bisaya content. So I hope you like this. Some improvements along the way. And of course, please subscribe to my channel kasi we have more videos, we have more travels, we have more adventures. And I hope you can be with me in this journey. Thank you so much again. Bye.